7 Mile Beach, located in the northeast region of New South Wales, Australia, is one of the most beautiful and popular beach destinations in the world. With a coastline of up to 7 miles, about 11.2 kilometers, this beach attracts visitors with its smooth white sand and vast blue sea. Seven Mile Beach is located in the northeast region of New South Wales, Australia, stretching from the town of Shoalhaven Heads to the town of Jarrowa. At approximately 11.2 kilometers, 7 miles, long, 7 Mile Beach is located southwest of Sydney, approximately 130 kilometers. Located in the geographical area known as the Shoalhaven, this beach is approximately 50 kilometers south of Wollongong city centre and is part of the Kiama and Shoalhaven districts. Seven Mile Beach is not only famous for its amazing natural beauty, but also for its remarkable climate and human environment. With Australia's climate in general, this area often has hot, humid summers and warm winters, creating ideal conditions for visitors to enjoy the beach all year round. Seven Mile Beach is one of Australia's notable coral reef and animal nature destinations. With clear blue waters and ideal environmental conditions, the area is home to a diverse range of marine animals and coral reefs. In addition, animals such as dolphins and whales often appear near the coast, creating a magical and attractive feeling for those who love marine animals. If you find the video we share good and meaningful, please leave your opinion below in the comments section so I can know your opinions and wishes about what you want to see in the next videos. On 7 Mile Beach, it is not difficult for you to encounter hot girls with radiant smiles and attractive bodies. Under the bright Australian sunlight, their graceful silhouettes undulate on the smooth white sand, creating a very attractive landscape. Seven Mile Beach plays an important role in promoting Australia's tourism industry, bringing a positive impact to the country's economy and culture. The appeal of this beach to visitors from all over the world has created a diverse range of interests. Join us on a journey to discover the unique natural and cultural beauty of 7 Mile Beach and other amazing destinations around the world through our Wandering channel. Subscribe today so you don't miss any videos about adventures, travel tips, and interesting stories. Subscribe to our channel today to join our journey.